Hello everyone, my name is Luana Okino Sawada. I will be walking you through on my wish list for the Martingale VI Hybrid Expert Advisor. Before beginning, I would like to introduce you my mentor and product owner, Professor Masoud Sadjadi. As mentioned in previous videos, our Expert Advisor Martingale VI Hybrid uses two simple moving average. Those two simple moving averages are used to determine if it's an uptrend or downtrend. If we do have an uptrend, we should place a sell order, and if we have a downtrend, we should be placing a buy order. The Martingale VI Hybrid takes new short positions with a multiply lot size each time, and then when the price reverses, meaning a downtrend, it calculates the total profit and losses of all open sell trades and close them when it still has profit. When the price goes for a long time in one direction without reversing, there is a lack of balance to cover the drawdown because it will place a lot of short positions. With that being said, the first change that it would be in my wish list will be trying to change the strategy of this expert advisor, adding new indicators that could work together to indicate a better time to open and close the orders. Opening only one new trade when it have a high chance to have a reverse in the price, and when the reverse occurs, it closes the sell trades. With this in mind, we can have less positions opened, a low drawdown, meaning less risk, and we can make more profit. To improve the strategy of this EA, I was willing to develop a better strategy that will combine the RSA, the MACD, and the Fibonacci indicators. My idea was combine the MACD and the RSI indicators to indicate an open sell trade and then to close it based on the Fibonacci value. So let me try to explain. So if we have a negative signal for MACD and the RSI gives a signal of oversold, we will open our sell trade, right? And this will be the only position that we're making. So we keep monitoring the MACD, and when the MACD changes the signal to positive and we have a overbought signal from the RSI, then we need to put our Fibonacci. So our Fibonacci is gonna be from where we open until this point. And after that, when our price reaches the 85% of the Fibonacci is when we should close the sell trade. For opening and closing the buy orders, it will follow the same logic, but then will be the opposite way. I believe that if we're able to implement this strategy, we will have a better strategy that can give us more profit, since we'll have less position opened and a low drawdown, as I mentioned before. Besides trying to implement a better strategy for the EA, we do need to optimize the code, meaning that we have duplicated functions, similar functions that differ just in one or other variable. So maybe it will be better like if order open buy, if order open sell. They have the same structure as we can see, but there is only one difference. where this is a order type OP buy and this one is a OP sell. So we have a couple of functions like that, like Martingale buy, then go Martingale buy. Then here we have Martingale sell and go Martingale sell. They differ in little things, so I believe we can optimize the code making only one function or method, passing different parameters maybe, and I believe that would have a better optimized code with a better strategy. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please feel free to email me to send feedbacks or if you have any questions about this video at lokin001@fiu.edu, or if you have any questions about the project, you can contact my mentor and project owner at sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you for watching this video.